Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the conservation strategies of the biodiversity conservation. When we talk about the biodiversity conservation, it is of two types: in situ conservation and ex situ conservation. In situ conservation is the protected area network under natural conditions, natural environment. It can be biosphere reserves, it can be national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, and sacred groves or sacred lakes. Biosphere reserves may be terrestrial type or may be marine type. In ex situ conservation, plant species, animal species, or microorganisms are conserved in their unnatural condition, that means in artificial condition, in controlled laboratory conditions. They are sacred plants, can be conserved in home gardens. Similar way, seed banks are created, field gene banks can be created, cryopreservation method can be done, and botanical garden and zoological garden or aquarium are another conservation ex situ conservation methods. So we have discussed here about the conservation strategies of biodiversity conservation. In the If we talk about the conservation, then in situ conservation, as we have discussed, within natural habitat strategy, under it various protected areas are developed like biosphere reserve, national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and the main benefits of protected area are to maintain viable population of all native species and subspecies, to maintain the number of distributions of communities and habitats, and conservation of the genetic diversity of all existing species, to prevent human caused introductions of alien species, to make it possible for species and habitats and shift it in response to environmental changes. Biosphere reserve program is there for the conservation purpose. In biosphere there are three zones. This is the zonation in a terrestrial biosphere reserve. That is, central part is core zone, then there is a buffer zone, then there is a transition zone. So core zone is the central part. Core zone comprises an undisturbed and legally protected ecosystem. In this core zone, there is no human activity is allowed, and it is legally protected ecosystem and undisturbed area. Buffer zone surrounds the core area and is managed to accommodate a greater variety of resource use strategies, and research and educational activities are allowed there. In transition zone, which is the outermost part of the biosphere reserve, this is an area of active cooperation between reserve management and local people. Here, cropping, forestry, recreations, and other economic use continue in harmony with the people and conservation goals. The main function of biosphere reserves are conservation and eco development and scientific research program development. This is the list of biosphere reserves: Nanda Devi, Norkak, Manas, Dehang, Debang, Sundarbans, Gulf of Mannar, Nilgiri, Greater Nicobar, Panchmani, etc. Out of which Nanda Devi is a part of Chamoli, Pithoragarh, Almora district, Uttaranchal. Is like for conserving, there are lots of world heritage sites like Kaziranga National Park in Assam, Koilo Dev Ghana National Park, Rajasthan; Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, Assam; Nanda Devi National Park, Uttaranchal; Sundarban National Park, West Bengal. For conservation purpose, Project Tiger, Project Elephant, and Rhino is also going on to conserve these animal species. When we talk about the ex situ conservation, that is the outside natural habitat strategy through which we can conserve, it include botanical gardens, zoological garden, conservation stands, gene, pollen, seedling, tissue culture, and DNA banks. Here we can conserve all these things through cryopreservation. Cryopreservation is the method where conservation is done in liquid nitrogen at a temperature of minus 196 degrees centigrade. In botanical gardens and in zoological gardens, we can conserve plant and animal species. So in this way we can conserve all these things in this area under natural conditions, in situ conservation, and under unnatural condition, that is ex situ conservation. This is all about the conservation strategies. Thank you.